You can expect a lot from the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.